Social media tips, hacks, and advice for 2023. If you are still using old social media strategies and hacks for your contents, you will find yourself right down under the pile of other millions and millions of contents every day. Here are the top 7 social media tips and hacks that you need for 2023 to help you grow very quickly. And you won't believe this, the last hack is the craziest that will blow your mind. Number 1. Grab attention fast. See, the way to hook viewers to watch your videos from beginning to end is to have each frame serve to entice people into discovering additional details about the subject you are discussing. Consider starting with a strong hook. Viewers need to know exactly what to expect from your video immediately. Most people take a long time to get to the best part of their video. No, stop that. Do your videos a favor and start them off strong instead. Take the best part of your video you left for the middle right to the beginning of the video, and then beg in your story and fill in the details after. In other words, put the killer hook in front first. After the first 3 to 30 seconds, depending on the platform, your retention rate should be from 40 to 60% to become successful. So yes, hook is very important. See, viewers' behavior is just like fish in the water. Without a hook with the best bait, you won't catch anything. Remember, you only have 3 to 5 seconds to get viewers' attention before they skip. So remove all the crappy, rubbishy intros and long conversation. Go straight in. So number 2, be the friend of the algorithm by giving people the best experience possible. Have you ever tried to watch a video right till the end on social media, only to see that the next video recommended for you is actually something very similar to that video or another video from that creator? If you ask yourself why, it's because you haven't known that the number 1 goal of the algorithm is to give users the best experience possible. Either it made you laugh, or it gave you more information about something, or generally entertained you. So to keep you on more, it has automatically recommended something very similar that will give you that same experience, that rush you got. So start creating content for humans to react to, and the algorithm will push your content further, no matter the platform. Create content that if you were the one who watched the first 5 seconds of the video, you would be hooked to listen and watch till the end. Start seeing the people out there as humans who are in so much need of something, and you are there to provide it. This is simply known as high-value or sticky content. Literally, make people stick by giving them the best experience possible. Number 3. Exposure mind first. To be successful on social media, it doesn't matter what you are using it for, business, personal, and no matter what your goal is, you have to know this important tip. Gain exposure first. But what can you do to gain exposure? You need to find unicorn content. To do that, just head over to a social media platform for your niche. Search the biggest guys who are raking in views and doing really well. Since they are talking to the same kind of audience like yours, it's those audiences you need to be exposed to. Draw inspiration and create something similar but with your own style and personality. Write down these things about them. Body movement. When and where was their body movement? How do they move their body, face and hand? How close is the camera to their face and their body? Text. What was the placement, color, and font of the text? Concept. What is their video all about? Why is it so interesting? Hook. Find out what hook they are using. Do they say things like "watch what happened in the end" or "the last point is absolutely crazy"? Delivery. How did they deliver their value? How did they deliver their message? Doing this means you seek the exact formula to get exposure, and I guarantee it will blow up. But we must mention this. Do not copy or steal their content. Only draw inspiration. Number 4. Be human. This one is a big one. Okay, right? So you've started your video with the best part first. Develop the mindset of exposure first, and you are feeding the algorithm what it wants. But you end up killing your contents by sounding or acting like a robot 2.0. One of the worst mistakes to make on social media is coming off as a zero personality. Don't leave the social out of your social media presence. The beauty of social media is that you can form relationships in an instant with viewers. Be relatable and create a sense of trust. If you post videos and people are skipping or plain right just not watching, the algorithm will believe you are very boring, and too many of videos like yours can kill their business. So social media platforms don't want to go out of business, so it will not prioritize your videos and will throw you to the back of the queue and people won't see your videos. So less people seeing your content means less views. Do you now see the domino effect of being boring and not being human in your videos? So talk in your videos, like the person you are talking to is just right next to you. Use a tone of voice that induces fun and talk like a real human and stay smart. Number 5. Use powerful statistics. If you want to be successful on social media in 2023, you gotta start adding small bite statistics in 1 or 2 places in your video. This simply makes your content appear genuine and well thought of. If you have read the book, How to Lie with Statistics, you will know the power of statistics. Just adding one form of simple statistics adds the illusion of credibility to whatever you say. Hence, people start taking you as an authority. Whether your goal is to improve social reach or engagements, including powerful statistics within your videos in 2023 can help catch eyes and build credibility with your audience. In this era of fake news all around, stats help convince people to convert to what you are saying. Number 6. Make content people are searching for. If you are struggling to get views on social media, here's the reason why. You are not making content that people are already searching for. So here is how to solve that. Just go to answerthepublic.com and type in your niche, and it will give you all the questions people are searching for. What you have to do is use those questions to create in-demand content that people really want to know and want to watch, and you won't be making content that no one cares about. The more relevant your posts are, the more success you will have. Number 7. Arouse curiosity by touching multiple senses. Remember when whiteboard animation videos were the killer videos back then around 4 years ago? Now they are dead and long buried. This tells you that things move very fast in the world of social media. To succeed in 2023, you need to wrap all the points we've just discussed with one thing, touching multiple senses at the same time. Don't just rely on your story, add more things to enhance your story. This will increase retention and increase engagement. What this simply means is simply add good background music that makes people follow what you're saying smoothly. Add text styles that look appealing visually. Use an environment that can give viewers a couple of things to look at and grab their attention to wonder, oh, that looks nice, I'll love to have that. Or, oh, what's that object doing there? Something that will help you in keeping their attention going even for just some extra seconds more. Also, audiences often browse through social feeds with their audio off, especially on mobile devices, so text is an essential part of creating attention-grabbing videos and can be a way to just make people then turn on their attention by clicking the video. Sometimes your audience can stay on that video while still trying to decide either to watch or not, and by reading colorful text of what you are saying, they can immediately find out what they are reading fulfills their need, then they will hit to watch fully, just because you arouse their interest and curiosity through text. This is not just subtitles, we're talking about bright, bold text that is central to the story of the video. So from that, the experience continues. I hope you've enjoyed these hacks, tips, and advice to help you grow in 2023. If you have enjoyed this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, and stay tuned for more useful videos like this.